Okay, so you're sitting and you stand up, click. You're climbing the stairs, click, click, click. No, that's not the clock on the wall, that's your knee. So what is your body saying? When you hear that persistent click, it doesn't have to just be from your knee, it can be from any joint in your body. A moving joint can make noise, that's okay, as long as there's no pain. If your knee is clicking consistently, it probably means there's a lack of muscle or a loss of muscle strength. The muscle thickens down into a tendon, which attaches to a bone. And if that is a little slack, the bone underneath it can rub, creating that click, click, click sound. The knee is a really simple joint. It bends and straightens. There's a bunch of soft tissue around the knee that helps us support and make it function well. So those are some things that may be involved in the clicking noise. Now remember, a noisy joint is still a functional joint. It doesn't have to be a problematic joint as long as there's no pain. If there's pain upon moving the joint with that click, now it's time for us to look into it and diagnose it with some sort of an issue or go into some diagnostic imaging. If not, strengthening is your best bet for your quadriceps and the muscles surrounding your knee. Oh, one more thing. I've oversimplified a lot of this stuff. So if it is a doubt in your mind that it's more complicated, get it checked right away.